How to fix Instagram login black screen on your Android phone or even on your iPhone. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Let's search for apps right here. I'm sorry, apps. Click on it and click on apps, and now search for Instagram. Insta. Okay, I didn't find it here, so let's try here. And here is the Instagram. As you can see, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to this data usage option and scroll down. Now make sure to disable this background data option and click and disable also the roaming data if it's enabled. Go back, click on the storage option, clear data and clear cache, and then you need to restart your phone, and I am sure 100% the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.